Today, we'll be covering the top 6 spill kits in the industry, evaluating their pros and cons to help you choose the best one for your needs. But before that, let's identify the key features we considered in choosing these top-notch spill kits. First up, durability and reliability. It's essential that the materials in your spill kit can handle the spill, whether it's oil, chemicals, or water-based. It should also be reliable over time, maintaining its integrity under various storage and use conditions. Next, absorbency rates and material compatibility. It's not just about cleaning up, it's about doing it efficiently. High absorbency means quicker cleanups, less residue, and safer environments. Premium spill kits contain materials that can quickly absorb spills compared with low-quality ones. Last but certainly not least, ease of use and accessibility. In an emergency, every second counts. You want a kit that's easy to use with clear instructions and accessible right where spills are most likely to happen. Keep these features in mind as we go through the 6 best spill kits in the industry. First up is the new Pig Spill Kit in a Bucket. This kit is renowned for its user-friendliness and reliability. Its sturdy polyethylene bucket is a standout, doubling as a temporary storage for used absorbents. But it's not all perfect. While it offers high absorbency with its pig blue socks and mats, it's somewhat limited in the variety of absorbents and might not be sufficient for larger spills. Next, we have the Brady Allwik Portable Universal Spill Kit. Ideal for handling a wide range of spills, its portable PVC bag is a winner for visibility and accessibility. It includes absorbent pads, socks, a disposable bag, and a pair of nitrile gloves, ensuring a comprehensive response to spills. However, it lacks specialized components for certain types of chemical spills. The Oil-Dri Compact Universal Spill Kit is another great option, especially if you're looking for something compact. It includes flexible absorbent socks and pads that are made from polypropylene, ensuring strength and high absorbency. This kit has a total absorption capacity of 5 gallons, which may not be ideal for larger spills. Stardust Universal Spill Kit is known as a versatile and efficient solution for various spill scenarios. It boasts super absorbent materials capable of absorbing many times their weight, making it highly effective for a range of fluids. The kit is portable and lightweight, offering convenience and ease of use. But its duffel bag for storage may not be as durable as compared with hard-shelled containers. For those who need a kit with high absorbency, the SpillTech Universal Spill Kit is a top contender. This kit can handle a whopping 25.6 gallons per package. The drum storage is robust and leak-proof, ensuring safe transport and storage of spill response materials. The kit also includes a comprehensive array of items for efficient spill cleanup. The downside? It might be pricier due to its extensive contents. Lastly, we have the AWF Pro 30-gallon Universal Spill Kit. It's perfect for larger spills, with a combined absorbency of 35 gallons. With versatile components, this kit is ideal for a wide range of jobs, from oil and water spills to more complex chemical spills. However, the size of the drum container might make it less portable. There you have it, our top 6 spill kits in the industry. Each option offers unique features and components to suit your different needs. Safety always comes first, so make sure to choose the best spill kit for your facility. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Stay safe and see you in our next video.